Weather Extreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Thursday, May 12th. A few strong storms around this evening, and then a very nice day coming up tomorrow, and the weekend looking nice as well. Let's go in there and check things out. That is the water vapor satellite view. Broad troughing north and west of the state, helping to support a surface front. There's the visible satellite view. That front shows up from near Little Rock, Arkansas, down to about Fort Worth, Texas. And we have a number of showers and storms in progress in scattered spots today. They've been rather random, and they've been heavy where they have formed. That was the radar at 2:38. At that time, the bigger storms were near Parrish in Walker County and lined up from Pelt City to about Piedmont and East Alabama. Nothing severe, but some small hail reported today on the heavier storms with lots of thunder and lightning and creepy clouds. But again, so far, no severe weather. A warm day today. Those are highs. Mostly mid-80s, Birmingham's high 86. Huntsville reaching 87 today before the storm set in. North of the state, we have a flash flood watch for parts of Tennessee, Kentucky, and West Virginia. And that's the convective outlook. You can see there's a small slight risk area for parts of Middle Tennessee, and that clips extreme North Alabama. But for most of North Alabama, it is a marginal risk, basically along and north of Interstate 20 for the rest of today and tonight. Tomorrow, a marginal risk for the Gulf Coast and up the Atlantic coast. Also, the standard slight risk for places like Kansas City, St. Louis, and Peoria. And on day 3, which is Saturday, a marginal risk of severe weather for parts of the Northeast U.S. and back into Texas and Louisiana. But around here, we'll be in very dry air on Saturday. Rain for the next 5 days, about 1 inch for the northern counties of the state, lighter amounts down to the south. So let's check it out, model fans. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock. Upper low near Duluth, Minnesota, way north of here. And tonight, this is the cold front coming through. This is at 8 o'clock, showing a band of showers and storms roughly from Birmingham northeast up Interstate 59. And those could be strong, but again, the dynamic support is not all that good. The instability values are marginal, just maybe some small hail, gusty winds, but severe weather should not be a big problem. Tomorrow, a dry air mass, a beautiful day. Sunny, lower humidity, the high around 80, dew points dropping in the 40s. Yes. Saturday as the weekend begins, we start the day down in the 50s. The high will be in the mid to upper 70s. Just beautiful, low humidity. And Sunday, hey, the GFS is all of a sudden coming in at 48 early Sunday morning. Wow. That'll feel good. The high will be only in the low 70s. The models keep trending cooler. And obviously no moisture, no chance of rain. Very low humidity. Great day. Go to Monday, a warm front's going to be passing northward, and I guess that might kick off a shower, but the chance looks awfully small because of the lack of moisture. Got a deep surface low near Dalhart, Texas, with a chance of maybe some severe weather over Oklahoma and North Texas in advance of that. But again, for us, Monday looks pretty quiet. Tuesday, that storm system weakens, the better chance of showers and storms holding a little west of the state. And then that drifts in here Wednesday with a better chance of showers and storms. Don't think it'll rain all day, but it could certainly rain at times. And this is a week from today, Thursday, May 19th. You can see the flow is fairly weak. A surface boundary is just kind of stalled out north of here, so we'll have a chance of showers and storms. So it looks like some risk of rain by Wednesday and Thursday of next week, and probably no severe weather problems. This is the end of the forecast period, Sunday, May 22nd. Little weak upper low southeast of here, but we're in a pretty dry air mass, and if that's right, that looks fairly calm. Numbers, coming down. High Sunday at 73 off the GEFS ensemble, and it's got 51 here for early Sunday morning. And again, clearly a lot of folks are going to go in the 40s. But then we go back in the 80s during the day, 60s at night later this month as we approach the month of June and the beginning of meteorological summer. That's it for the Weather Extreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.